Hello everyone and welcome to DynamicsCon. Let's get ready to learn from our Microsoft Dynamics 365, Dynamics GP and Power Platform superheroes. Stay tuned for our Microsoft Success Day tomorrow with content designed around implementation, optimization and expansion, user adoption and migration. Our multi-day event is free thanks to our heroic sponsors. Be sure to visit our roundtable sessions held throughout the conference by clicking on the Roundtables tab found on the left menu bar. Check out the event info section on the Home tab for more details on our rapidly growing Dynamics user group community. So, here we go, superheroes. Please welcome our keynote speaker, General Manager of Product Marketing, Business Applications Go-to-Market, Toby Bowers. Thank you for joining us as we begin DynamicsCon Virtual 2023.
Hi, everyone, and welcome to DynamicsCon Virtual and the Microsoft Customer Success Day. My name is Toby Bowers. I lead our business applications product marketing team at Microsoft, and I'm thrilled to be able to kick off this fantastic event and connect with the Doug community. Let me start with a heartfelt thank you for being part of the Doug community. The size and scale of this group is truly impressive. We have a global audience representing users from North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. Last year, this event had over 5,000 attendees, and I know this year will be even bigger. And we have a diverse group of members, end users, leaders, and Microsoft partners attending from companies of all sizes across many industries. And this event represents such an opportunity to empower success through community and collaboration, and to support our business and professional growth. But that said, we all know we're operating in an uncertain environment with some tough economic headwinds and a rapidly evolving workplace. And I want to share how we at Microsoft are building products to help navigate this change. In recent years, the world of work has fundamentally changed. For many organizations, there'll be no return to the way things were. In a survey we conducted with business decision makers and employees, it's no surprise that 9 out of 10 workers see continued cutbacks on the horizon as economic uncertainty affects spending. And more than ever before, organizations need digital tools and platforms that help people do more with less, so they can solve business challenges on their own. And at the same time, customers expect more, and most will abandon a brand that provides poor customer service. Employees need technology that provides seamless experiences throughout the customer journey, fast issue resolution, and speedy and predictable product delivery. Meanwhile, organizations are facing a big shift in the work culture. The majority of surveyed workers want more flexibility in how they work and to be empowered to work purposely. They need connected processes and technologies that support a flexible hybrid work culture. And employees strive for purposeful productivity. They want the organization that employs them to succeed. They don't want to be an asset to produce more faster. They want to be a catalyst for impactful change. And they want to be empowered with tools to do what they do best, bring new levels of efficiency to the business, and create positive customer experiences. To deliver on a culture of growth and agility, they need to be empowered with digital tools and technology that help them achieve more. And we are integrating digital tools people need to drive impact into business applications for every function, from sales to service to finance and supply chain management. These include things like empowering people to perform with clarity, direction, and focus with predictive insights and guided workflows, to automate routine tasks and processes so they can focus on high-value work, the ability to collaborate with anyone on any business or customer record with the tools they use every day, and the ability for anyone to create digital solutions to solve problems without always relying on IT. So let's take a look under the hood at the products that enable these capabilities. Dynamics 365 connects data from across the company for any business function and intelligence to engage customers and optimize operations. And these applications break down silos so that everyone can work from one source of truth. Dynamics 365 is supported by the Power Platform, a unified platform of low-code tools that anyone can customize to analyze data, build apps, automate processes, and create virtual agents. And we've tightly integrated Microsoft 365, including Office and Microsoft Teams, with Dynamics 365. Everything is connected and accessible: customer and business records, documents, and colleagues. So you can easily securely share business and customer records and documents with your coworkers, and collaborate on information and sync that work back to the system of record, whether it's from Dynamics, Teams, or Outlook. And finally, we have our insights and analytics capabilities. AI-powered insights derived from the volumes of data harnessed every hour of every day and surfaced when people need it. And we connect with hundreds of other systems, platforms, and databases, letting you get the most value from your existing investments. By integrating AI-powered insights, automation, innovation, and collaboration into your workflow, you can elevate customer experiences and operational excellence in every department. Everyone can help grow the organization with a shared purpose. And these four essential technologies enhance the power of you and your teams across every business function. And it's the employee that is the catalyst for impact. Now, this happens every day in this community, and I wanted to take this opportunity to highlight a few of the DUG members who are exactly that, a catalyst for impact, all of whom are presenters this year at DynamicsCon. Cecile Din, a Microsoft customer and user group leader in Arizona, bringing fellow product users together to discuss product challenges and work together to find solutions. Cecile is an organizational leader who isn't afraid to say, change the process to benefit an organization and its customers. And Connie Thompson, a Microsoft customer and user group leader in Kentucky, welcoming everyone from non-technical users to developers to business stakeholders to learn from one another and build long-lasting community connections. And Tom Doran, a Microsoft partner involved in all DUG community programs. Every day, Tom actively promotes the value of a global community can bring. He emphasizes that whether you're new to the BizApps ecosystem or a longtime product user, our global community has resources and endless ways to connect to fellow users, product experts, and Microsoft. Thank you all for being such outstanding contributors to the community. Now, I also want to thank our host for bringing us together for the 5th annual DynamicsCon virtual event. DUG is a free global community that focuses on personal and professional growth for Microsoft Dynamics 365, GP, and Power Platform users and professionals. DUG also shares the same values as Microsoft when it comes to diversity and inclusion. The organization strives to focus on female opportunity and inclusion with an impressive 27% female representation as active members and 38% female attendance at their conferences. And within this community, you have access to online discussion forums, in-person and virtual events like this, over 600 educational videos, and local user group meetups happening year-round. But today at DynamicsCon, you will experience community vote-in sessions and content, engaging educational presentations covering a range of tools and techniques and product applications, live Q&As after each session with the speakers, and roundtable discussions happening throughout the day. But tomorrow, I'm very excited that we will launch our first ever Microsoft Customer Success Day. We're partnering with DUG to offer a free virtual conference for all Microsoft Dynamics and Power Platform users. And this event is open to all community members, customers, partners, and enthusiasts globally. This learning-packed day features more than 20 sessions and panels presented by more than 30 Microsoft team members, MVPs, and community experts. We'll have keynotes from both Charles Lamanna, our Corporate Vice President for BizApps Engineering, and Emily He, our Corporate Vice President for BizApps Marketing. And they'll both provide insights into the future of Dynamics 365 and the Power Platform. We'll also have specialized sessions across 4 tracks, each designed to deliver skills and best practices that can be applied right away. The foundation to driving business outcomes is a well-architected and well-built solution. And in the implementation track, you'll include tips and tricks for Dynamics 365 sales, building apps faster with Power Apps while maintaining control of your environment and developing a compelling business value story. The adoption track will help you build your own customer success power team with customers describing how they've succeeded in post-sales implementations. And we'll discuss change management strategies, partner selection, even how to use AI to drive success. And once your solution is built and adopted, it's time to expand your solution to drive even more impact. In the optimization track, we'll discuss ways to do this using the software you already own, with sessions on sales and marketing alignment, customer experience, and Microsoft Viva Sales. And migration. For customers still using our on-prem solutions, we'll discuss the journey to the cloud. We'll walk through customer examples and highlight what makes a successful migration with sessions like Optimize Your Migration to Business Central. So we have an amazing 2 days lined up for you, packed with content and connections. And I'll end where I started with a sincere thank you. Thank you for your partnership, your passion, and your participation in this important global community. Enjoy the event.